What if I told you that everything you ate today, every heavy meal, every late-night snack, every bite of something you knew your body wouldn't love could be flushed out while you sleep? It sounds too good to be true, but for thousands of seniors across the country, this simple bedtime mixture is changing everything. It's not a pill. It's not a harsh cleanse. It's a gentle, natural drink made from ingredients you probably already have at home. And when taken before bed, it works with your body through the night to support digestion, sweep away toxins, and even target stubborn belly fat. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, less bloated, and more in control of your health, not from starving yourself, but by giving your body the gentle support it actually needs. The best part: you'll know it's working because you'll feel the difference. So what's in this miracle mixture? And why are seniors raving about it? As we grow older, our bodies change in ways we don't always expect or appreciate. One of the most frustrating changes is belly fat that refuses to go away. You might notice it's not just about how your clothes fit. That extra padding around the waist is more than a cosmetic issue. It's a warning sign. Doctors have found that fat stored deep in the belly area, called visceral fat, can increase your risk of serious health conditions. We're talking about type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, even strokes. And for people over 60, the risks are even higher. That's because metabolism naturally slows down with age, making it harder to burn calories efficiently. Hormonal changes, especially in postmenopausal women, can also encourage fat to settle around the midsection. But here's the real danger. Visceral fat doesn't just sit there. It behaves like an organ, releasing inflammatory chemicals that can damage your heart, disrupt your blood sugar levels, and weaken your immune system. The good news: you don't need to run marathons or go on extreme diets. Gentle, consistent changes like the simple night drink we're about to share can support your body's natural fat-burning ability, especially when paired with mindful eating and light daily movement. Think of it this way: each small step is a message to your body. A message that says, I'm ready to feel better. I'm ready to heal. And tonight's drink could be one of those steps. John Turner, a 72-year-old retired firefighter from Ohio, never thought a cup of something before bed could change how he felt every morning. I used to wake up feeling like I hadn't slept, he said. My stomach would be tight, bloated. I just didn't feel right. Then his neighbor handed him a note with a handwritten recipe, a simple drink she swore by: lemon, parsley, ginger, and a few other common ingredients, taken every night before bed. John gave it a try, and within a week, he noticed something. He wasn't waking up groggy anymore. The bloated feeling, gone. He even dropped a few pounds without changing anything else. I felt clean, he said, like something inside me just reset overnight. Stories like John's are becoming more common. Across senior communities, this bedtime drink is catching on, not as a miracle cure, but as a gentle, natural support for aging bodies. People are saying it helps them sleep more soundly, wake up with less belly discomfort, feel more regular without harsh laxatives, and support gentle, gradual weight loss. And perhaps most importantly, it gives them a sense of control. In a time of life where so much feels out of our hands, this is one small thing they can do that truly makes a difference. And tonight, you can try it too. It's easy to overlook. Most people think of parsley as a garnish, something green sprinkled on top of a dish for color. But parsley is so much more than that. In fact, for centuries, it's been quietly used as a healing herb. And for seniors looking to support digestion, kidney health, and gentle detox, it might just be the most powerful ingredient in the bedtime mixture. First, it's a natural diuretic. That means it helps your body release excess water and salt, especially helpful for seniors who often deal with swelling or water retention. It also supports kidney health by encouraging the body to flush out waste products through urine. And unlike harsh diuretic medications, parsley does this gently without throwing off your body's balance. Parsley is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and a special group of antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds help fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and may even lower your risk of chronic disease. Feeling puffy or bloated, parsley helps calm that down. Struggling with bad breath? Chew a few parsley leaves and notice the difference. Some studies even suggest parsley can support blood sugar balance and help the liver process toxins more efficiently. All of that from a simple handful of fresh leaves. So the next time you see parsley in your kitchen or in this night drink recipe, remember, it's not just decoration. It's gentle, powerful support for your whole body. Now let's get to the heart of it, how to make this simple, effective nighttime drink. You don't need anything fancy. Just a few natural ingredients and a blender. Here's what you'll need: 1 fresh lemon, a small handful of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cinnamon stick, or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 cups of water. Start by washing the parsley thoroughly. Squeeze the juice from the lemon and set it aside. Add the parsley, grated ginger, cinnamon, vinegar, and water into a blender. Blend until smooth. Stir in the lemon juice last and give it one final mix. That's it. Simple, right? If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain the drink. But many people choose to keep the fiber. It helps with digestion and keeps you fuller longer. Drink 1 glass about 30 minutes before bedtime. Not too cold, not too hot. Room temperature or slightly warm is perfect. It's gentle enough to avoid disrupting your sleep, but powerful enough to support your body's natural nighttime detox and fat-burning processes. Try it for 3 nights in a row and notice how your body responds. Most seniors say they feel the difference by morning. And best of all, it's completely natural. No chemicals, no side effects, just real food helping your body do what it was designed to do. What makes this simple drink so effective? The secret lies in the natural power of its ingredients. Ginger helps stimulate digestion, ease bloating, and support your metabolism. It's especially helpful for older adults who often struggle with slower digestion or that uncomfortable, heavy feeling after meals. Ginger also reduces inflammation, which is linked to everything from joint pain to heart disease. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells and support your immune system. But what makes lemon especially helpful in this drink is its alkalizing effect. Even though lemons are acidic in taste, they help balance your body's internal pH, creating a more supportive environment for detox and fat metabolism. It also gently stimulates the liver, your body's main detox organ. Cinnamon isn't just for flavor, it's a natural blood sugar balancer. Studies show it can help reduce insulin resistance and keep glucose levels steady, which is especially important for seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes. It also adds a comforting warmth to the drink, making it feel like a cozy nighttime ritual. An apple cider vinegar helps curb appetite, improve digestion, and increase the acidity in your stomach, helping your body break down food more efficiently. It may also help lower blood sugar spikes and support gentle fat loss, especially when paired with a clean diet and movement. Combined together, these ingredients form a team. They work in harmony, soothing your stomach, supporting liver and kidney function, easing inflammation, and nudging your metabolism while you sleep. And that's the beauty of natural remedies. No loud side effects, just quiet, steady support, one night at a time. As powerful as this bedtime drink can be, it's not a magic wand. It won't erase years of habits overnight. But it will help. It can be the nudge your body needs to rest better, digest easier, and start letting go of what it no longer needs. But for long-term change, especially after 60, it's important to pair it with simple, consistent lifestyle choices. Drink plenty of water during the day. Move your body gently, even if it's just a walk around the block or light stretches in the living room. Choose whole foods when you can and give yourself time to rest, real rest. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can mean wisdom. It can mean knowing your body so well that you choose to nourish it instead of punish it. This drink is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's a good piece, one that supports your body gently, naturally, and with purpose. So tonight, pour yourself a glass. Sip slowly, breathe deeply, and let your body do what it was designed to do: heal, cleanse, and carry you forward.